Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Audi A4 2.0T Quattro. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 52,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, automatic climate control, airbags, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and window defogger.